Hi guys, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of fidgets guys. I got from Happy Hands Toys guys. For the first day, my talk fidget spinner guys. Kinda like this one I got from Walgreens, but different. And actually another fidget I got is this, a zipper bracelet. Pretty cool guys. As you noticed, I have this one on too guys. This would be a red one and a black one. But you know, if you get this, be careful we don't get hair caught in the zipper. This is their miniature sized fidget cube, guys. Pretty cool. This is how small it is, guys. Oh, yes. Pretty tiny, guys. This is their fidget pad, guys. Pretty cool, guys. Looks like a Xbox or a PlayStation controller, guys. Pretty cool. And now, guys, I'll show you guys a fidget one of my subscribers sent me, guys. This person who sent this to me. Thank you a lot. It's been very helpful, guys. Yep. I like it a lot. Well, talk to you guys later. Bye.